Okay, another way to import a dataset into Stata interface is by copy paste, by doing a copy paste from Excel file. Let's say you have your data in Excel file like this, all prepared nicely. The first row is the variable name. So what you can do is you can simply click all the data set here, and you can Control C, which is you copy them. Okay, you can also go to home and you can click copy here. Okay, Control C, you copy all the data and you go to Stata, and first let's clear the existing variable here, and you can simply click this button, which is data editor button, and in data editor window you can press Ctrl V. So click this, it will ask you to treat the first row as variable names or data, so you treat that as variable name. We click this, so you get the data with you straight away. This is, I believe, the simplest way to import a data into a Stata. So this is the data set. Okay, let's clear this first before we go to the final technique to load a data. So you can actually load the data from the example data sets. Previously, I have shown to you how to find the example data set. So you can see plenty of them. So you can simply click use here. So the command is like sysuse auto.dta, the one that we discussed earlier. So the moment you execute this command, you get the data with you.